Hello guys, welcome to Clean Review. Today we are checking portable mini fan. I purchased this from Amazon. This is the box we got. Here are the details of this product. Take a screenshot if needed. Now let us open this box. Here we got USB 2.0 charging cable. It is of average quality. Here is the mini portable fan. We can tilt this. It can tilt up to 90 degrees. Can be used at different angles as shown here, on a desk or in a kitchen, wherever we want. On the right side we got a mini LED light. On the bottom we got battery compartment. On back side it is mentioned that we got two batteries, each of 1200 mAh. We also got two ports here, one is output port as one is input port for charging. Now let us remove the batteries. Here we got two removable batteries which can be replaced in future. Let me switch on the fan. Here you can see the LED light indicating the speed. So we got level 1 speed and then we got level 2. And the last speed is level 3. Level 3 is more effective. Now let us see how to switch on LED light. Long press the power button to switch it on. And press the other key to turn it off. We got 1 meter length USB cable which is of average quality. Now let us check whether this fan works with power bank without batteries. Yes, it is working with power bank without batteries, which may give extra backup. There is difference in speed as well, and there is another option, we can charge batteries with power bank. This mini portable fan will be very useful for people living in areas like frequent power cut, but also we can use this in summer. I given the link for this product in the description. You can check there. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you.